One more time. This ain't your daddy's schoolhouse. Class is in session.
Every morning I wake in my place. Every morning the same empty space. Every morning I craft the right words. Every morning my voice goes unheard. Time keeps looping, but language holds power. Words beginning the same make hearts flower. Repetition breaks the law of time that keeps us apart. Same beginnings will transform the echo chamber of my heart. Maybe today you'll notice the pattern. Maybe today your heart starts to quicken. Maybe today the loop will be broken. Maybe today what's felt will be spoken. I replace what was said with a simpler refrain. I avoid the repetition that drives me insane. They say it's madness, doing the same thing. They say it's hopeless, this love I bring. They don't understand rhetoric's power. They can't see how patterns make love flower. When words repeat and feelings grow, when echoes build until you know. Every message has structure and form. Every message can weather the storm. Every message contains his